Hello all, my name is Abdul Rahman and in this video we are going to talk about Timeit module. So first of all, what is Timeit? Timeit is a method library to measure the execution time taken by the given code snippet. So let's go ahead and get started. So now I will take our previous divisible example. So for that what I will do is I will give here random number equals, then I will give random list should give here list equals, then I will give is range, then in the brackets I will give is 100. And now I will define a function by giving def divisible, then here I will give in the brackets num, and here I will give like this. So now if num is there, right, num modulus 5, then double equals 0 and then semicolon. So now I will give is return true, after that else return false. So now what I will do is, so now I will define a generator which consists of numbers if they are divisible by 5 in the range of 100. And then I will create a list comparison. So now for that what I will do is I will go ahead and give here ABC, then equals, I will create brackets and x for x in random list. Then if divisible, and the brackets I will give is x. So here I will give is ABC equals x for x in random list. So if divisible, here is I will give x again. So now I will use Timeit to check which one is faster. So for that I will take an example. So now what I will do is I will make our program multiline command like this, and we got the door, and so now I will go ahead. At the top I will give is import Timeit, then I will give is print, and in the brackets I will give is Timeit, and then dot Timeit, and I will give in the brackets some strings known as 2 plus 3, and then some number equals to 4000 or so now I will come down, and so now let's run this program, and we'll clear up again. It should not have been given like this. So let's run this program now. As you can see here, it took this much time. So now we have to test it. I will remove comment from our example. So now I will remove this one and this one, save it. So now I will make this one comment. So now what I will do is I will give here where that. So now I am going to copy this block of code from here, from random to here, and then I will go down. So now I will give is the brackets. So I will make it again multiline command or not, I am not understanding. So here is I will give multiline command, and here the same, and now I will give here is print Timeit Timeit. Okay, print Timeit, and in the brackets I will give is triple quotes again, and okay, and so now I will paste that here in this list. So now if divisible, everything is fine, right? So now what if we give brackets here, square brackets in place of this one. Okay, number is there. And now I have to copy, right? So I will copy this, I will paste it here. So def divisible and abc equals x power. Then beside that, what I will do is I will give here comma, then number number equals 4000. So now let's run this program. Okay, so it's taking this much time. So now I'm going to clear up this one. So now what if we give here square brackets in place of parentheses, like this and like this in place of this. So now let's run it again. I have to give to one thing, that is I will remove this one and give here parentheses only first of all, and run this program. It has taken zero some this much time. So now I won't close this one. I will give a square brackets, and here is the square brackets. Here it's the one. So okay, it's taking more time, right? So now I will convert it into a list by giving. Okay, so now I'm going to convert this into a list, right? So first of all I will give here is abc. ABC is there, abc. I'm going to convert this into a, and then I'm going to give it, and now I will give here is list, and then list, and I will run it again and check whether it's taking how much time. Okay, it's taking 7:55 something. Okay, it's taking some more time than this. Okay, so now what I will do is, for that I will give here random list. Is this, where is this? Okay, I will be removing this and this, and now I will make this one comment, and here I will give multiline comment. Save it. So now what I will do is I will give here abc there, right? Okay, abc list, and here I will create one more bracket, and one bracket, and now I will remove this line. Okay, I will convert it into a what, front. Okay, so okay, I will control X and control V. That's the right. So save it. So now what I will do is, I will be confusing it from the time. So now I will make this comment. I have given that. Let's run this program. Okay, it will be giving here like this. It's not okay. It's not printing anything, right? There is a problem, I think. That is should go again and see. This is there. Okay, what I have done, I have not given one more thing, that is for x in ABC, and then I have to give it like this, and then I will give is print x, and now I will run now this time. Okay, it's printing 0 5. It's printing in type of 5 table, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15 till 95. Okay, okay, it's working. So here when you are writing this block of code, okay, I will clear up this one. And okay, when you are writing this block of code, you need not to do any mistake, because it's, you need to give each and everything, because it's a kind of script. And if you forget something, then it's going to show you some error. Okay, so guys, that's all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.